आता आरसी बुक गाडयेचे परवाने रिन्यू करून वा नवे करून पोस्टांतल्यान सोमतेच घरच्या पत्त्यार पावतले. ह्या कायद्याची फाल्यां सावन अंमलबजावणी जातली. हाच्या खातीर सगळी तयारी जाल्ली आसा म्हण माहिती उत्तर गोंयच्या येरादारी खात्याचे सचिव प्रकाश आजावेदो हांणी दिल्या. IDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
November 2017, registration certificates of new vehicles registered as well as driving licenses renewed or issued afresh shall be delivered to the persons at their residential address to the postal services with which the department has tied up for delivery within 24 hours. Licenses, not many are there, but registration certificates there is substantial quantity at all the offices in Goa, which gradually we have to find some solution, maybe through print media, to inform after segregating them serial wise that so and so RC books are prepared and pending in the office shall be collected within 7 days, or else the department may decide any other course of action on. We cannot be retaining all those RC books and collect what is prepared. For that purpose, all the arrangement for printing of an envelope with some educative traffic logo on that, along with postage, which has been already finalized with the postal department, is already put in place. Now, from tomorrow, the implementation will start.